Studying doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right strategies, you can make learning more efficient, enjoyable, and productive. Here are 3 easy ways to study effectively. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that helps you stay focused and avoid burnout. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes without distractions. Take a 5-minute break to relax, stretch, or grab a snack. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique works because it breaks your study sessions into manageable chunks, making it easier to maintain concentration. The short breaks also give your brain time to recharge, improving retention and productivity. 2. Active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall is the process of actively stimulating your memory during learning. Instead of passively reading or highlighting, test yourself on the material. For example, after reading a chapter, close your book and write down everything you remember. Pair this with spaced repetition, which involves reviewing the material at increasing intervals over time. For instance, review your notes after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, and so on. This method strengthens long-term memory and ensures you don't forget what you've learned. 3. Teach what you've learned. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding of a topic is to teach it to someone else. Explain the concepts in your own words, as if you're teaching a class or helping a friend. If you don't have someone to teach, pretend you're recording a lesson or writing a blog post. Teaching forces you to organize your thoughts, identify gaps in your knowledge, and simplify complex ideas. It's a powerful way to reinforce what you've learned and build confidence in your understanding. Why these methods work? These strategies are effective because they align with how the brain learns and retains information. The Pomodoro technique keeps you focused, active recall strengthens memory, and teaching ensures deep understanding. By incorporating these methods into your study routine, you can study smarter, not harder. Conclusion. Studying doesn't have to be overwhelming. By using the Pomodoro technique, practicing active recall, and teaching what you've learned, you can make your study sessions more efficient and enjoyable. Remember, consistency is key. Try these methods regularly, and you'll see significant improvements in your learning and performance. Happy studying!